Ever get hiccups at the worst possible time and wonder, why do we even hiccup? A hiccup is just your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracting. That quick spasm forces air into your lungs and your vocal cords snap shut, making the hic sound. But here is the mystery. Hiccups serve no real purpose today. Many scientists think they are a leftover reflex from our evolutionary past, possibly linked to how amphibians gulped air. They can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, stress, or even excitement. So the next time you hiccup, remember, it is your body playing an ancient, useless reflex you cannot quite turn off.